Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to English Smart Academy. Hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to practice different exercises of adverb. In my previous video I discussed adverb in a detailed way and I also discussed different types of adverb. Hope you have cleared your thought related to adverb. So today's video is very important because today we are going to practice different exercises of adverb, and you know that practice makes a man perfect. So don't skip this video. Let's start. So exercise number 1, identify an adverb. So you are to just identify which kind of adverb is used in this sentence. She sings beautifully. How she is singing? She is singing in a beautiful way. So this is adverb of manner. They will come tomorrow. Tomorrow is adverb. This is adverb of time. He always wakes up early. So there are two adverbs in this sentence, always and early. Always is adverb of frequency and early is adverb of time. The child looked everywhere. Everywhere is adverb of place. She almost finished her homework. Almost is adverb. So this is adverb of degree. They rarely watch TV. Rarely is adverb of frequency. He spoke very slowly. Slowly is adverb of manner. The bus arrived late. Late is adverb of time. She lives nearby. Nearby is adverb of place. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. Clearly is adverb of manner. Exercise number 2, fill in the blanks. She completed her work. She quickly completed her work. They visit us. They visit us regularly. He arrived for the meeting. He arrived early for the meeting. The dog barked. The dog barked loudly. We will leave soon. She is happy with her result. She is very happy with her result. The train stopped suddenly. He forgot. He almost forgot his keys. They went to find help. They went outside. She understood the lesson. She easily understood the lesson. Exercise number 3, choose the right option. She speaks softly. He will come. He will come now. They are always busy. She writes neatly. The room is very cold. I finished the work. I finished the work yesterday. The dog ran quickly. She rarely eats junk food. He is always ready. So here both adverb can be correct, almost can be correct as well as always, but the most suitable is always. They live here. Next exercise, you are to rewrite the correct sentences. Number 1, he forgets his homework. He never forgets. So here you are to write never. They eat lunch together. They often. So these are mid-position adverbs which are used in the middle of the sentence. She arrives early, she always. So we are to write always here. I finished the assignment. I just finished the assignment. Just would be written after I. He is very calm. He is usually. So after a linking verb, we use mid-position adverb. They have left. They have already left. So after helping verb, we use mid-position adverbs. She will win the prize, probably. So after will, after helping verb, we always write mid-position adverb. So she will probably win the prize. We were tired after practice. We were often tired after practice. They can solve this problem. They can easily solve this problem. He has seen snow. He has never seen snow. Exercise number 5. Convert these adjectives, these words into an adverb. So this is for you. You are to write answer. You are to convert these adjectives into an adverb, and you are to write answer in the comment box. I'll check it and I'll give you remarks, points. So don't forget to write your answer in the comment box. So this was all about from my side. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have practiced a lot and further you have cleared your concept related to adverb. If you want to learn more grammatical lesson or any other lesson, let me know in the comment box. Like it, subscribe it, share it, and take care of yourselves. See you in the next video.